everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into AOL Mail. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into AOL Mail, you can simply download the AOL Mail application on your smartphone or your desktop and quickly log in. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go tap open your web browser. In the search box, type in mail.aol.com and search. You'll end up in the sign-in page of AOL Mail soon after you do that. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create an Account at the bottom of the screen and register yourself by following the instructions. Once you have an account, you can simply enter your credentials and log in. Type in your username, your email, or your mobile number in the text box. Once you do that, tap on Next. Prove that you are not a robot by tapping on I'm not a robot. Complete the task that has been asked to you and click Verify. After you're done, the Continue button will activate. Tap on Continue and enter the 8 characters code that has been sent to your email address. Tap open your email and copy the code, go back to the verification page and enter the 8-digit characters sent to you. After you're done, tap Verify. Select an account you would like to continue with. If you'd like to use your face fingerprint PIN in order to sign into your account, tap on the Enable button, or if you don't right now, tap on Maybe Later. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged in to AOL Mail quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.